Okay, so class, we have here another problem. What is the maximum length of the perimeter if the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 5 meters long? So, unsa yung first thing to do? Unsa ang i-minimum or i-maximum? So, ang gipangata na is the maximum length of the perimeter. So, unsa man ang formula sa perimeter? P, drawing sa tanong sa illustration, we have x, y, and 5. Kaya ang hypotenuse dire sa right triangle, 5. So, ang itong bulungon is ang length sa perimeter. Unsa man ang formula sa perimeter? We would get P is equal to, basta triangle, x plus y plus 5. So, sa kani, we have two missings, x and y. That's why di na ito makuha ang value ni P. So, how would we get this? Then, you can't derive this directly, no, to get the value, the total length, because dalawa yung variable nato dire. If we're going to derive something in an equation, make sure that the other side has only one variable. So, unsa man tong buhaton? We would need to find another relationship makuha na to sa right triangle. So, ang another relationship na makuha na to ani is the Pythagorean theorem. We have the c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, diba? So, 5 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Since atong goal is ang kwaon ang x dire, so atong i-derive dire, ato ang i-get dire is ang y. Therefore, 5 squared minus x squared is equal to y squared. So, the square root of 5 squared minus x squared is the value of y. So, kani, we can substitute it already here. So, p is equal to x plus 5 squared minus x squared plus 5. So, na-achieve na to atong goal na tanang values diri kay x. So, now we can derive, no? So, we would get p is equal to p. Unsa may derivation of x is only 1 plus, napani square 1/2, no? Nakalimot ko. So, to derive this, power exponent nga rule, we would have 5 squared minus x squared. Then, i-derive na tong sulod. 5 squared is only 0, no? Minus 2x. Kay kani nga derive. Dayon plus 0. So, naanataan ni. So, kaning 2, pwede na to makancel. Then, we're going to set p prime as 0. So, 0 is equal to 1 plus, napay negative 1/2. Sa taas, kay 1/2 minus 1 biya na pag mag-derive. So, negative 1/2. Nimot na ko. So, 1 plus 5 squared minus x squared raised to negative 1/2. Times x, kay 2 raman niya itong i-cancel. Dayon, this is negative x. Okay na. So, ato ang simplify. So, 1, this would be 1 minus 5 squared minus x squared raised to negative 1/2 times x. Kani, ato arang ni siyang para din natin maglibog, ato arang ni shift solve. So, to get the value of x, sige, so to get the value of x, we have 0 is equal to 1 minus 5 squared minus x squared raised to negative 1/2 times x. Ala. Sige, we're going to close it in a parenthesis, kaning part. Okay na. Then, shift solve. So, ang x na to is 3.5355. So, this is only the value sa x. Ang gipangutan na maximum length, meaning maximum length of the perimeter, meaning ang total na sum sa perimeter. So, first, we should get as well the y. Na namatay value ni y dire. It is the square root of excuse me. Giubod yung ko ron. Minus x squared. So, ato alang square root of 5 squared minus the x answer nato ganina itong square. Same sila og side. 3.5355.33906. So now we can add no values ni p. So we have p is equal to x plus y plus 5. So i-add ni mo plus 5. Therefore our p is kani kay pareha man sila values. Ay totally. So we would get 3 katong answer ganina. Answer plus 5355 para sa values ni x 33906 plus 5. So ato ang p is 12.071. Silent ani wala may lang ihatag. So atong p is 12.071. So that's it for today, guys. See you on Friday. Bye. Sige, so hello. We have here a problem, no? Sample problems na to sa minimum maximum. So for number 1, we have a manufacturer that estimates that the cost of production of X units of a certain item is C is equal to 40x minus 0.02x squared minus 600. So, how many units should be produced for minimum cost? So, ang pinakauna na itong bulungon na if mag-minimum maximum ta is to find unsa ang i-minimum, unsa ang i-maximum. We can usually find that within the sentence na makita ang word minimum. So, sa kani, how many units should be produced for minimum cost? So, ang ipa-minimum is ang units. Again ha, if kung unsa ang gipangita, that should be the remaining variable sa pag mag-derive ka. So again, dirita how many units should be produced. So unsa man ang units na value? Nara dere, a manufacturer estimates that the cost of production of X units. So ang units is the X. Therefore, ang mabilin should dapat is ang X. Kani ato ang bulungon, value ni X. So we have here an equation. Mao ni ang gihatag na equation. So we have C is equal to 40x minus 0.02x squared minus 600. So sa kani pa lang na equation makabalo na ta nga makuha na siya direct. So we don't have to find any form of relationship kay nanay x. So nanay aside sa nanay x dire din kani maset man ito 0, so we can directly get the value of x. Sige, so after getting the equation, unsay unang buhaton is to derive. C1 is equal to 40x minus 0.02x squared. Wala na ko derive. So unsay derivation sa 40x? So C prime is equal to 40 minus 2 times 0.02 x minus 0. So C prime is equal to 40 minus 0.04 x. Kanina lang. Kay 0 naman eh. Dayon, si C prime, we were going to set it as 0. So 0 na siya. So para mag-get si 0.04x, ano na to siya? I-transpose. 0.04 x is equal to 40. Therefore, divided by 0.04, you would get is equal to 1,000 units. Again ha, after nimo magkaning prime na makuha, set na to 0 to get the value of x. Okay na? Sige, number 2.